Your pores are not the problem. What you're putting into them is. If you've been washing your face twice a day, using blackhead strips, squeezing, scrubbing, and your skin still looks congested, still looks dull, still has those dark dots sitting right there across your nose and chin, this is the video you needed to find a long time ago. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why everything you've been told about blackheads is incomplete. And I'm going to walk you through a deep pore cleansing routine that actually works. Not for a day, not until tomorrow, but consistently, over time. Stay with me. This gets good. First, let's understand what's actually happening inside your pores. Think of your pore like a very narrow drain. Oil flows up through it constantly. That's normal, that's healthy. But oily skin produces more oil than that drain can handle. When that excess oil mixes with dead skin cells that didn't shed properly, they start to collect inside the pore. And when that mixture reaches the surface and makes contact with air, it oxidizes. That's what turns it dark. That's your blackhead. It's not dirt. It's not something you can scrub out. It is a buildup issue, and the only way to address it is to regulate the cycle, not attack the surface. Once you understand that, everything changes. Because you stop trying to physically rip things out, and you start working with your skin's chemistry instead. And that's where real, lasting results come. Now let's get into the routine. And I need you to pay close attention here, because the sequence matters just as much as the steps themselves. Step by step. The first step is the one most people rush through, and it's the most important one. Begin with an oil cleanse. A light, non-comedogenic cleansing oil massaged dry onto your face for a full 60 seconds. I know that sounds counterintuitive, putting oil on oily skin. But here's why it works. Oil dissolves oil. When you massage that cleansing oil across your skin, it bonds with the sebum sitting inside your pores, loosening the buildup without stripping your skin or triggering more oil production. This is the foundation of every Korean deep cleanse, and this one step alone changes everything. Don't skip this. 60 seconds, gentle circular pressure, especially around the nose and chin. The second step is your water-based cleanse, and this is where most people go wrong. After rinsing the cleansing oil, your pores are warm and loosened. This is your window. A gentle BHA-based gel cleanser, something with salicylic acid at around 1 or 2%, applied now will penetrate into the pore lining and dissolve the remaining oxidized buildup that your oil cleanse couldn't reach. BHA is oil-soluble, which means it can travel through sebum, down into the pore, and actually exfoliate from the inside out. That is the difference between clearing a pore and cleaning a pore. Most people only clean the surface. You're going to clear the whole channel. Massage this in for 30 seconds, let it sit for another 30, then rinse with cool water. The coolness is not optional. It signals your pores to tighten slightly, which helps them hold their shape after the cleanse. The third step is your treatment layer, and this is where the real magic happens. After cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply a thin layer of niacinamide serum. This is your regulation step. Niacinamide signals the sebaceous glands, the oil-producing structures inside your pores, to calm down. It doesn't stop oil production completely, it balances it. And over consistent use, it visibly reduces the appearance of enlarged pores because less excess oil means less chronic stretching of the pore walls. Layer this underneath a lightweight non-comedogenic moisturizer. And yes, moisturizer is non-negotiable even for oily skin. When your skin feels dry, it compensates by producing more oil. Give it hydration, and it stops overworking. Now, the mistakes section. And please, listen carefully here because some of these are things people do thinking they're helping. Over-exfoliating is the most common one. If you're using a physical scrub every day, or layering multiple acids at once, you are damaging your skin barrier. And a damaged skin barrier does not heal quietly. It triggers inflammation, excess oil production, and makes your pores look larger, not smaller. This can actually make your blackheads worse over time. The second mistake is aggressive extraction. If you're pressing hard on your skin to manually remove blackheads, you are risking post-inflammatory marks, broken capillaries, and permanent pore stretching. There is a way to do gentle extraction after steaming. But squeezing cold, unprepared skin is never the answer. The third mistake is inconsistency. This routine doesn't work once. It works over weeks. People try it for 3 days, see partial results, and abandon it. The skin cycle is about 28 days. Give the routine a full cycle before you judge it. Now, a few things that most people genuinely don't know. First, timing your BHA matters more than you think. Using salicylic acid at night is significantly more effective than morning use, because your skin does its heaviest cellular repair while you sleep, and BHA can work undisturbed without UV exposure degrading its activity. If you've been using it in the morning and wondering why results are slow, try switching it entirely to your evening routine. Second, niacinamide and BHA are one of the most underrated pairings in skincare. They work through completely different mechanisms. One dissolves the blockage, the other regulates the cause, and they layer without conflict. Use them consistently together, and within 4 to 6 weeks, you will see a visible difference in pore appearance and congestion. Third, the temperature of your rinse water matters. Finish every cleanse with cool or lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water strips the lipid layer of your skin, which signals, you guessed it, more oil production. One small habit, real impact. So let's bring it all together. Oil cleanse first, 60 seconds, loosen everything. BHA gel cleanser second, penetrate, dissolve, clear. Niacinamide serum third, regulate and refine. Lightweight moisturizer to seal and protect. Cool water rinse every time. BHA at night. No aggressive scrubbing, no over-extraction, no skipping steps. That's it. Simple, clean, purposeful. Here's the thing I want you to hold on to. Your skin isn't failing you. It's responding to what it's been given. And the moment you start giving it what it actually needs, consistency, the right chemistry, a little patience, it will respond. Not overnight, but steadily, noticeably, in a way that lasts. Clear skin isn't a lucky gene, it's a learned system, and now you have it. If this gave you something you didn't have before, save it, share it, and come back. Because there's a lot more where this came from. New routine content drops regularly, and every single one is built to actually help you see results, not just watch a video. Thank you for watching.